Did you actually see her damage your car?
In the video I have, you can see her walk behind my car.
What's in your hand?
It's a piece of asphalt.
What did you intend to do with a piece of asphalt? Make it good, because even your mother can't keep a straight face.
This is Judy Justice.
Judge Case 4089, Wirtz versus Scales.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Miss Wirtz, it is your claim that Miss Scales vandalized your property. She is the daughter of a former tenant of yours.
Yes.
And I assume that this is the former tenant.
Yes.
How long was the former tenant living in your home?
Approximately about a year and a half.
From when to when?
I don't have the dates, the months, because she rented from my mom.
Could you stand up? She rented from your mother.
Well, I lived in the house too, but my mom was the one that let her move in.
How do you know this lady? What's your last name?
Fowler.
How do you know Miss Fowler?
She joined our club. We're a nonprofit organization. She joined there and had flat tires, so we raised some money and bought her 4 used tires. And then she was losing her place where she was living. And she was kind of crying to us. She had nowhere to go but in her car. We're people helping people. So I felt sorry for her. Had her move in.
Okay, and when was that? Do you remember?
That was probably about the summer of 22.
Is that when you moved in the summer of 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and did she pay you rent?
Yes.
How much rent did she pay?
She paid $550, but she didn't have any money at the beginning. So she was a month behind all the time.
Okay, that's all. But she was there for a while.
Oh, yes, about a year and a half.
And what caused you to ask her to leave?
My younger daughter had to move in. They were selling where she was living, and
Okay, so family was moving in, and you told her that she had to leave.
Right.
When did you tell her that she had to leave, or did you tell her, Miss Wirtz?
We wrote up a contract, and I told her...
May I see the contract?
Yes.
Could you stand up for a moment, please? Miss Fowler, you signed this. You signed it on June 23rd, and it's a 30-day notice. We need you to vacate by July 30th. You understood why, that her younger daughter was moving in.
Yes, ma'am.
Your rent will still be due on July 1st. That will be your final payment as long as you're out, and you signed it.
Yes.
Okay, good. And then there was an incident. On what day was there an incident?
I believe it was June 30th.
Okay, and she was to be out by July 30th.
Yeah, but she decided to go earlier, I guess.
Okay, tell me when she advised you she was going out earlier.
Not till the June 29th.
On June 29th, she told you, I'm vacating early.
Yes.
Do you have communication from her?
She just told us told me in the house.
Okay, Miss Fowler, why were you leaving a month early?
They had been asking me to move every now and then. So this was the last time I had had enough of, and I found a place right away the same day that I looked.
Oh, great.
And
Where did you find a place?
I was shocked.
Where did you find a place?
Not too far from where I was presently.
Okay. And without going into details about that place, is it a room in a house?
It's a room in a house with full privileges.
And you moved in there on what date?
The 30th of June.
June 30th?
Yes, ma'am.
And you started paying rent there when?
On the 1st.
When did you tell them that you were moving out a month early?
A week before I moved.
1 week before?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why they wanted me to sign that.
1 week before, that you would be out by the 30th. Okay.
Okay, here's the setup, and it starts with a genuinely good deed. A woman runs a little people helping people group. A member, Debbie, falls on hard times. Flat tires, then losing her housing, crying that she'll have to live in her car. So this woman feels for her and takes her in, rents her a room cheap, even carries her when she's a month behind. For about a year and a half. That's real kindness. But eventually, the woman's own daughter needs to move back in, so she gives Debbie a proper 30-day notice.
Now you can sit down. Thank you. You can sit down. I may or may not need you again, Miss Fowler. Now you can tell me what you're accusing the defendant of.
Of Damaging my vehicle,
Your car?
yes,
On what date?
on the 30th.
And since we have a video here, did you actually see her damage your car?
I did not, only on the video. I didn't actually see her in the video either, but you see her going to the car on that side.
What kind of a car is it?
A Toyota Camry, 2021.
And was it parked in front of your house or in the driveway?
It was in the driveway in front of the garage.
There's no question that the defendant was there that day. She acknowledges she was there that day, correct?
Yes.
Okay. When you parked your car in the driveway, was there any damage on the car?
No.
And when did you notice damage on the car?
After we moved Debbie's stuff out of the house, we were moving her stuff out to the driveway, and my sister noticed it when she was coming back in.
And you have a camera? Is there a camera? And you
Yes,
have a
we
camera?
Yes, there's a camera.
Okay. There would be no reason for you to go anywhere near her car, is that right?
I did go.
Just a second.
Sorry.
There would be no reason for you to go anywhere near her car,
No.
but you did go near her car.
I went near her car to get
Just-
to the side gate.
Only to get to the side. Just a second, I'm going to get, because then I'm going to watch the video. Have you seen the video?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so the only reason to go to her car was to just pass her car to go to get into the gate.
Yes.
And what, you were going to retrieve some more of your mother's property? What
No, they locked her out and told her they weren't going to be home all day and that she was not going to leave and take anything from the house. They said nothing was going to leave this house unless she pays rent,
What rent?
the July's rent. I have text messages of her threatening
Yeah, I'd like
her
to see
rent.
that.
I'd like to see that.
It's a lot to read through.
I don't want to read a lot. I just want to read what you just said. Don't give me
Yes.
the New Testament. Just give me the pages where they say, unless you pay July's rent, you're not getting your stuff. It looks as if this was June 27th. That's what I assume, because the date isn't on the first one, but the Thursday, June 27th, I don't appreciate is all that's here. But clearly you said to her, haven't done anything to you. If you give us $550, you can take your stuff, but otherwise you're not taking nothing out of the house. Well, you can't do that.
I know that.
Okay.
And that's why when the cops came that morning, I told the cops I had no problem with her taking her stuff.
And she did take her stuff?
She left after the cop left. She drove away
Okay.
in her car and left. So the cop told me to pack up her stuff.
Okay, so the only reason that you would be going past her car, now you've got this text, your mother shared it with you, correct?
Yes.
And that was irritating because it was absolutely the wrong thing to do and to text, and not within the confines of the law to hold your property in this situation unless you got July's rent, which is prospective. She had paid June's rent.
Yes.
Okay. And the younger daughter was coming back.
Yes.
And when did you come back?
August 1st,
August 1st, not before.
not before.
By the way, how much rent do you pay?
$550.
Who do you pay that to?
We all put it all together, and then my sister sends it off to the landlord.
Okay, so there would be no reason for you to go near her car and stay there for any period of time, even for 2 seconds, correct?
No, I did double tie my shoes to climb the gate because I didn't want my laces to get caught.
You double tied your shoes near her
Yes.
car.
Yes, I bent down.
Oh, that's
to tie
very
my
smart.
shoes.
That's pretty clever. I'm pretty good at figuring that out. Got it?
Okay.
Now I'll see the video.
And here's where the excuse machine kicks into overdrive. And it's almost impressive how fast she invents answers. The car gets damaged. There's a security camera. The daughter swears she had zero reason to be near the car. She only passed it to reach the side gate. Then the judge asks why she lingered, and instantly, "Oh, I double-tied my shoes by the car so my laces wouldn't catch when I climbed the gate." Convenient. Then the judge plays the actual video and freezes it, because on camera she talks to her mother, then reaches into the truck and pulls something out. The judge asks, "What's in your hand?" And the answer? A piece of asphalt.
You are in the black shirt.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. You're in the black shirt. Just stop the video. Move it back for a second. Move it back. Move it back. Stop. What did you get out of the back of the truck that's in your hand? Stop. That's a question. you discussed something with your mother, and then you reached over into the truck, and you got something, and what is that? I can't see it. What's in your hand?
It's a piece of asphalt from my driveway.
Just a sec. It's a piece of asphalt.
Yes.
Very good. That was going to help you tie your shoes.
No.
No. So now let's proceed a little further. So you went into the truck and got a piece of asphalt.
Yes.
Walk away.
Have to go. Sorry, the guys are going to be here. Yes, I have most of my stuff back except for my clothes that are hanging. You can bring that I left. That was
No. I want to know if that's an order.
It is. It is. Now you'll see her come in and she'll go behind my car when she comes back up.
Behind which car?
That car right there.
Oh, that's your car?
Yeah.
Okay, well, then I can't. Oh, it wasn't the silver car that's not your car.
The one back there is not mine. No, that's
It's not
Debbie's
yours.
car. That's Debbie's car.
And then she walks on the side of your car. You don't have any other video.
Well, in the video I have, you can see her walk behind my car all the way to the other side.
I don't see that.
I know. I don't know. I have it on my phone.
I just want to look. Is there
I
any
know.
video that goes beyond
it's
what
on
I
here.
saw?
Yes.
I'll just make sure I'm not wasting my time. I hate to waste my time. I'm old.
I understand. Okay, here you go. You just have to push play and you'll see.
No, I see what you mean. She walks to the side of it. You don't see her bending down. You don't see what she's doing, but she walks to the side of your car, which is clearly not necessary to do in order to get to the gate. Got it. Okay. And Miss Scales, just for giggles, I want you to tell me what you intended to do with the piece of asphalt that you had in your truck. Make it good, because even your mother can't keep a straight face. So make it good. What did you intend to do with the piece of asphalt from your driveway that you put in the back of your truck?
We did yard work. My driveway is made of asphalt. There was pieces left in my truck. I cleaned it out, threw it in their trash can so that my mom's furniture couldn't be back there. I did not do anything with the asphalt. I threw it in the trash can.
Can I see the damage to the car? Exactly.
She didn't answer the question.
Did you file a police report?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I'd like to see it.
Okay, here's pictures. Here's the police report. And here's more pictures.
Miss Fowler, you want to stand up for a second? Miss Fowler, it sounds to me, you can smile all you like, it sounds to me as if this lady was very nice to you. Senior lady.
Beginning.
Sounds to me as if she was very nice to you. Sometimes things don't work out when older people live together, or even when young people live together, but it sounds to me as if she and her group tried to be very nice to you.
Oh, here's one more.
Would that be fair? Did they buy you new tires? That's either a yes or a no.
No.
Did they buy you anything?
No.
Really? So she's lying when she said that they got together and bought you new tires?
Yep.
Really? Well, then I can't ask you the next question because now I know you're a liar. Because I was going to ask you to do a little soul searching because you were there when your daughter scratched her car. But I can't even ask you that because you just lied about the tires. So your statements are worthless. Sit.
And here's where the judge shows she's nobody's pushover. She calls out the plaintiff's side, too. Because it turns out the family did something genuinely wrong. They sent Debbie a text saying she couldn't take her own belongings out of the house unless she paid July's rent. Rent for a month she wasn't even going to be there. And the judge is blunt. You can't do that. You cannot hold someone's personal property hostage over prospective rent. That's not within the law. So this isn't a case where one side wears a halo.
Okay. You work?
No, ma'am.
How old are you?
27, or 28, sorry.
Who do you live with?
I live with my boyfriend.
Who works?
My boyfriend. I stay home with our 2 kids. I had my kids in the truck with me. I would not have done this.
Oh, of course you did it.
I did not.
Of course you did it.
They locked my mom out all night to prevent her from
No,
moving.
we didn't.
Of course you did it.
You did. I have text
Your mom-
messages right here
Shh,
saying
don't
you
speak.
were not going
Don't
to be home
speak.
all night.
Just a
They
second.
slashed her tires. That's why I was over there looking at her tires.
All her tires were
Just a
flat.
second. We're not dealing with that right now. I don't have a counterclaim. So my question is, you went over to look at your mother's car, and your mother's tires were flat.
Yes.
And I assume that you and your mother assumed that they, for some reason, one of them flattened your mother's tires. I assume you thought that.
Yes.
And then you knew and you were angry at the fact that they had, according to you, locked your mother out that night, correct?
They did lock
Okay,
her
so
out.
here we go. So her tires were flat. They locked her out. You take a piece of asphalt from your house that you needed either to tie your shoe or to throw away at that moment, and the only trash can there was around the side of her car. Her car, which just so happened to have some flat tires and scratch marks all over the passenger side. It was the passenger side?
Yes.
Passenger side, which is where you went with the asphalt, right?
Correct.
Those are too many coincidences for me. I can't even rationalize one of them. Okay, one of the tires was slashed, is that right?
Yes, the back one.
Am I correct that that tire was $72?
No, it was, I had just bought the tires, so it was under warranty. I think it was $13 or $14 I had to pay.
$13.96.
Yes.
Did you have the car fixed?
Not yet.
Is there currently a loan on this car?
Yes, it's,
There's currently a loan on this car. You have to have full coverage,
I do,
correct?
yes.
Did you report it to your insurance company?
not yet.
What do you mean not yet?
well, because I didn't, I have a
Don't make
$1,000
sure-
deductible.
don't make- listen
I'm
to
just
me.
saying, I do have a $1,000 deductible, and I don't really have the $1,000 to pay it right now.
Okay, well, that's all I'm asking you. But I know that if you have a loan on the car, it's a relatively new car.
Yes, I have full coverage.
You have insurance on the car. You have to maintain full coverage. So you have a $1,000 deductible.
Yes.
Which means that $1,000, not $4,676, but it's $1,000.
Yes.
Just for my own peace of mind. And 1,000 is a lot. You could have said I had more. But do you have the policy with you?
The insurance, no, I
No.
don't have the
Okay.
policy with me.
Okay. Well, it's clear from looking at the photographs that the damage will at least be $1,000 to fix. So you're going to have to report it to your insurance company.
Okay, yes.
Well, it's a little late to report it. You're supposed to be reporting this to your insurance company right away. Is there any reason why you didn't?
I didn't, I'm sorry, I didn't know that.
That's a real problem. You're driving the car?
Yes, I am.
Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $1,000. We're finished. Thank you.
And the ruling, judgment for the plaintiff, $1,000. The logic was clean and fair to both sides. The video showed the daughter reaching into the truck for a piece of asphalt right before passing the car she swore she had no reason to be near. And her shifting excuses, shoelaces and gate climbing and all, only made it worse, to the point her own mother couldn't keep a straight face. But the judge didn't hand over the full $4,000 repair. Since the plaintiff carries full coverage with a $1,000 deductible, $1,000 is her actual loss, so $1,000 is the award. The judge also called out the family's unlawful no rent, no property threat, fair to everyone, but that didn't excuse the vandalism. If it walks like a duck, it's a duck. Justice served.